In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize an email template using Canva and MailChimp. This process is incredibly useful for anyone who wants to build professional-looking email campaigns without needing extensive design expertise. We'll go through each step in detail to ensure you can follow along with ease. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Canva website by typing canva.com in the address bar. Once you are on the site, log into your Canva account or create one if you haven't already. Canva is an excellent tool for designing a variety of graphics, and its intuitive interface makes it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Next, to create a new email template, start by selecting the appropriate design size. You can either choose from Canva's preset templates specifically designed for emails or input custom dimensions that fit your needs. Once you have your canvas open, make use of the wide range of tools that Canva offers. You can drag and drop elements, adjust colors, select fonts that align with your brand, and add eye-catching images. Spend some time here experimenting with different design elements until you achieve a look that you are excited about. Remember, the key is to keep the design visually appealing, while also ensuring it's cohesive with your brand image. Once you've perfected your email template, it's time to download your creation. You have a couple of options here. You can download the design as an HTML file, which is great if you plan to use it as a structured email template. Alternatively, you may choose to download it as an image file if that's better suited for your email design plans. To do this, click the download button at the top right, then select your preferred format and save it to your computer. Now it's time to head over to MailChimp, which is a powerful platform for managing your email campaigns. Start by logging into your account and navigate to the Templates section. Here, you'll want to click on Create Template. If you have downloaded your design as an HTML file, choose the Code Your Own option, which allows you to upload the HTML file directly into MailChimp. If you opted for an image file, use the import method to add your images to the template. Once your design is loaded into MailChimp, use their editor to customize your template further. This might include adding text blocks, links, and calls to action, ensuring your template is both visually appealing and functional for your campaign goals. Be sure to preview your email to check for any formatting issues and make adjustments as needed. When you're satisfied with the look, save the template for future use in your campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully created a unique email template using Canva and customized it in MailChimp, ready to impress your subscribers with your next email campaign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you feel more confident tackling your future design projects. Thanks for watching and happy design.